So I just received my Raytech TV-10, and the instructions that come with it aren't clear. I think they're outdated because it mentions using rubber nuts, and the hardware you see in front of you is what came with the most recent version of the TV-10. So I went online and I actually found some updated instructions with photos. So I figured I would just make a video of the current assembly instructions. The Raytech TV-10 that I received in August of 2024 includes the hardware you see in front of you. We have a wing nut, a washer that is metal on one side and rubber on the other, 2 metal nuts, 2 metal flat washers, and a threaded stud. The assembly is pretty straightforward. The threaded stud needs to go into the center of the base of the unit, which is secured by a nut on top of a washer. So thread the nut probably about 1.5 inches, so 30-something millimeters. Slide on a flat washer and then proceed to tighten the stud into the center of the base. Make sure it's firm. Tighten the nut with a 1/2 inch wrench. And that's the assembly of the stud. Next, we'll place the bowl on top of the stud. And the washer that's included, it's rubber on one side, metal on the other, so you want the rubber side facing the bowl. And you will take your next metal nut and spin it all the way down. Half-inch wrench, just snug, don't over tighten it. And that's the bowl assembly. And lastly, we have the lid, which simply slides on, and you have a flat washer and then the wing nut. So I actually plan on getting another rubber washer to put between the lid and the metal washer. I don't like the idea of the metal and plastic rubbing together, so I will upgrade that with a rubber washer between this point here. But aside from that, that should be the most recent installation instructions for the TV-10. Thanks for watching.